and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather and I love to share all the things that bring sparkle to my life. So it can range from fashion and beauty finds to a gluten-free recipe to camping. If you're into that kind of thing, which I hope you are, please be sure to subscribe. And in the meantime, I want to share an outlet haul that I recently bought all the things from Banana Republic Factory, Gap Outlet, and the Old Navy Outlet at a camping trip in Lake George. I'm inside Large Marge, which is a Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel, and we are in Lake George, New York, camping for the week. And one of the things that we like to do when we're up here, because it's one of our favorite spots to go to, is go outlet shopping. I'm going to share it with you because you guys are very interested to see what I got according to Instagram, so I said, why not share a video? So I'm going to start off with what's in the Banana Republic bag. Okay, so I originally went into Banana Republic, nothing really in mind except maybe for a pair of shorts just to have because you know, quarantine makes things larger possibly. So I wanted a more comfier pair of shorts, and I actually have them on here. So hold on one second, let me see if you can see them. Hold on, I gotta adjust my camera here. Okay, so these are just an elastic waist, and how it like comes up for like almost like a little bit of a ruffle, but again, elastic waist. These are roomy. These are definitely roomy. I probably could have went down a size to an extra small, but I got these as a small because again, I just wanted a nice, comfortable, roomy feel. So I got these, and I'm gonna go over, let me see, the receipt, because I'm a big outlet. I gotta bring you guys up. Sorry. There you go. So I am a big outlet shopper. I tend to gravitate towards things that I know are almost like kind of classic, like a classic capsule. Anything that really that draws my attention, I kind of go. So like, no offense, I don't think green military style shorts are gonna go out of style. So those are like kind of like an essential. I'm calling it an essential, okay? So these are an essential that you can get away with like warmer days in the spring, definitely summer, and even some days in fall. I like how it falls. It says it's a 4-inch seam here. Maybe I'm wearing them a little lower, but I'm totally comfortable wearing these. They come right above the knee. And these were originally $39.99, and then they went down to $24.99. And I know I did not pay that much, and I just need to find my receipt. Please hold. That's not the receipt. Oh, where's my receipt? Oh, here it is. Okay. So these were, okay, high-rise linen. Yep, so they were $24, and then they were 60% off. All right. And then on top of that, I received an additional 10% off because I used my teacher discount. So these super, you know, comfortable. Very happy with this purchase. I also bought, and I'll try these on too. Okay, so these are the black high-waisted denim jean, and I cannot tell you how soft they are and how breathable or like maybe like non-restricting they feel. They feel so comfortable. Oh, they feel so comfortable. And the length is beautiful. It's a 4-inch inseam. And again, I love how the button-up waist really is flattering, and it's not, like I said, it's breathable and it's not restricting. So these feel super comfortable. Like I can see myself wearing these while we are on our bikes riding around. And these will probably be my go-to short jeans, probably until we're just about done with short weather, which today, it's kind of chilly here today. So I would definitely pair this with a sweatshirt and try to get away with wearing this as much as I can. So love these. These were originally, oh my goodness, here's my receipt. These were originally, oh my gosh, okay, high-rise black button fly. These were originally $50. So then I got, let's see, $35 was taken off, then $1.50, and then $2, because there was an additional percentage off that if you spend a certain amount. But either way, amazing, totally worth it. Very very comfortable. I have 2 dresses that are coming up next. One, actually I didn't try these specific ones on because I tried different sizes and I was like, okay, I just need to get a different size in them. So like, for example, this one, how cute. I'm determined this year too to wear like either a long sleeve shirt or a short sleeve shirt. Ooh, I might actually do that with something like this. So you can get more use out of wearing button-down dresses in the fall and winter weather. And then this looked so cute. How cute would this look with with boots and a belt? Oh, and I bought a belt too because I'm in need of a new belt. But oh my gosh, can you tell me? Stinking cute. I'm gonna put these on really quick. And before I go on to that, Banana Republic has petite sizes. And I believe like they classify petite as being like 5'4" or under 5'4" or 5'2" or 3. I'm 5'2". I kind of play around with petite sizes. Like I know Banana Republic is good with the petite sizes, and Taylor or the Loft, I get usually good there. So these 2 are petite sizes. So I'm gonna try them on and then let's see what they look like. Say it with me now. Aw, because this is how I feel in this. The print is so, I'm gonna come up close. It's like a floral, and it just reminds me of like, it's just a romantic type print. So, a quarter sleeve. So definitely a fall and winter wear. And probably even spring. But, I'm questioning the length. It's a little kind of short for me, for school. So I would pair it with leggings and definitely brown riding boots. But it's just so comfortable and it's stretchy. This is a petite extra small. The small had the elastic around the waist. Fit really, really weird. So I'm glad I got this. It was originally $70. I got it for $15.39, I think. So super cute. I'm going to try on another dress that I fell in love with. It's very playful, but I can definitely get multi-seasonal use out of it. So hold on one sec. I love this print. How playful is it? You have all the specks of, you have navy, my favorite color, you have blues, you have oranges, you got reds, you got yellows, you got mustards. I feel like I can wear this dress year round. You can pair it with a cardigan, like a longer cardigan. You can pair it with a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt. That's one of my goals this summer, is to get this to be, or not this summer, this winter. I want to wear, something that I can, t-shirt underneath it, so that you can get multi-use out of it. But pair of riding boots in the summer and spring, pair of wedges. I'm going to come up close so you can see the cute detail. Like how cute, right? And this is a petite small. The petite medium, originally that's what I thought I was going to need, but the straps were really, the straps were too big. So, but it's buttoned down and I'm obsessed. I love it. The total, I'm going to get my receipt. This is where you're going to be like, what? Because yeah, it's that much. So I saved $188.50. That's what I saved. And for 2 dresses, 2 pairs of shorts, and a belt, I spent $68.44. Mind you, this dress right here that I'm wearing was originally $69.99. So, again, I love shopping at outlets because that's where you get really great savings. And I always try to find pieces that I know I could get either a multi-seasonal use out of or just staple pieces. Again, I think we can all say we have a pair of, military colored green shorts, and these will not go out of style. And honestly, too, you have to feel comfortable in what you're wearing. And if You love them, you wear them as much as you want. No one's gonna judge, because you know what? Fashion and trends and, you know, it all has to feel good for you. It has to bring out your sparkle. So what I'm going to do next is show you what's inside the Gap bag, and then we'll go to Old Navy. So hold on, let's get dressed. All right, so here is t-shirt style pocket dress from the Gap, tie-dye. Tie-dye is huge right now, and for $20, I was like, hey, I would wear a jean jacket, or you could probably get away with a cardigan, riding boots, and even sneakers, or time out, my Toms, and I would be super comfortable, and, again, super comfortable and happy with this. So this is from the Gap Factory Outlet. Again, I'll try to link everything that I can. My goal in mind for this whole shopping experience was to find things that I can wear multi-seasonal, as well as things for school, because you know I am a teacher, so I want to make sure whatever I'm buying per se I could wear, you know, out in school, and then even, you know, if we go to a barbecue, whatever else. So anyways, love this dress, super comfy. I have another dress, and I have to tell you, I saw this because it was right when I was checking out. I was like, ooh, that's really cute, and it was 50% off, so I didn't try this on. So you are going to see it for the first time as me seeing it. All right, so let's see what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is it. What do you think? Oh gosh, I hope you can see this. I have to apologize. I've moved my camera around like 3 times because first I was recording and you only saw half of my head. You can't even see my legs, but I'm going to go on my tippy toes and just say that the length is perfect. I love when dresses flare out. It is so stinking cute. I'm going to come in close so you can see the print. And this is a small. And this was 50% off. That's why I got it. It was originally $49, and you do the math, so it was like totally worth it. I like the fact too, up here is like that elastic and they're stretchy, so I knew you can have room, and I like that because sometimes, you know, tops can be restricting, especially if you're more, you know, broad-shouldered like I am. So pair this with a sweater, pair this with a jean jacket, or you just wear it like this. So happy I saw this. So happy that I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. And from the Gap outlet, I spent a whopping $38.09 on 2 dresses, and my discount was $53. So another outlet steal, I'd say. The only thing is that I didn't ask if they had any teacher discounts. So if you know if they do, let me know, because then I could have saved more. But let's move on to one more dress that I have actually a really funny story to share about it, and it's from Old Navy. And then, yeah, let's get to the funny story. Last but not least, this, I'm going to make this up. I think it's like a boyfriend style dress. I don't know, you tell me, because it's a button down, like not t-shirt, button down style dress. Now, it's linen, but it's not your classic linen. It's more thicker, and here's the funny story. So we were checking out. Again, they always get me at checkout. We were getting ready to check out because we bought the kids' masks. And there was this section of these dresses, and I went up to it, and I was like, oh. And I put it up to myself, and I felt the material, and I was like, ooh, this feels really nice. And then I see, like, these older women looking at me because I'm sitting here, like, going like this. And I was like, I'm sorry. I'm like, it just feels really soft. And she's like, it looks really good on you. And I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. So comfy. The length, ideally, hold on. The length is perfect. It comes just above my knee. But time out. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pair it with a belt because we got to accent that waistline here. And, oh, nope. This is a new belt for me. I don't know how to work it just yet. But take a look. What do you think? What do you think? I think I would make it a little bit tighter here. But, yeah. Oh, gosh, yes. Okay. I have a mirror behind the camera, so that is helpful. So if that's why, if I'm looking, like, out towards you, that's why. Okay. So, oh, my gosh. So cute. So glad I got this. I don't know the price. Hold on. Let me look. That's Banana. Hold on, let me get my receipt. Because we also got the kids' masks and a couple other things. This, originally $12. I got it for $4. Alright, I have to look. I'm pretty sure this was $34. And I didn't pay that much. I did not pay. I'm going to link below how much I paid for it. But another thing that I really like about these types of bags, so they're waterproof, so you can put kids, when you go to the beach or the pool or whatever, you can put sunscreen, all the things in here, put your phone in here, seal it up, bing bang boom. I have 3 that I swear by that are see-through, so, you know, whatever you want to put in here, I just really like these, especially for the summertime. So originally this was $34.99. I want to say it was 30% off because I had to ask, double check with my husband. I'm like, hurry up, do the math, what's 30% off of 34? So anyways, super cute. Probably wear my Toms with these. Navy riding boots. And this again was at the Old Navy factory outlet. I will be honest, with the children's selection, they had some things available, but my cousin was also there shopping, and she was great because she was checking the prices online, and only a few things were worth it. So that's like a tip that you should always keep in mind when you're doing your factory shopping. Just maybe double check the website just to make sure you're really getting your bang for your buck. I did feel that at Banana, I totally was. Gap as well. So anyways, that is my factory outlet haul for Gap, Banana Republic, and Old Navy. Feel free to ask me any questions down below and I'll get back to you. I'm going to try to link everything that I got in the description box. And be sure to hit subscribe if you want more fashion, beauty, camping, lifestyle, all the things that ultimately brings sparkle to myself and for all of you. So until next time, I'll talk to you soon.